Hi, I'm Philip, and today I'll be going over how to use a NuStep, also known as a bike or a stepper. So first things first, we got two levers here that adjust the seat. This one up front will move it forwards and backwards. So you want to move it all the way backwards to get it ready, and then you're going to use this lever to move the seat side to side. It'll lock into place. It also go all the way around like that. And then this armrest also come up and down so you can get in nice and easy. And then before you get set in and everything, you'll want to adjust your handlebars to where it's comfortable for you when you're sitting down. And it's just easy, a little flip here, and you can adjust nice and simple like that. And then when you get in, you're going to make sure your handles are out of the way, so just push them out of the way like that. And then there's a little button right here that locks or unlocks the pedals and armrest or arm pedals. So you want to make sure that's locked so it doesn't move anywhere, so you can use the handles to get in and out. So you're going to sit in. You guys need one on the back to slide yourself around, lock yourself in. That is something that I see a lot of people not do, is not make sure they're fully locked into the sock. Then you're gonna put your feet up, get one foot up in here, take the front handle, and slide in, get your other foot ready. Make sure that's also locked in. You'll want your leg to be about fully extended so you can get maximum extension and flexion throughout the exercise. Then you're going to unlock it like that. Make sure your other handlebar is set, and then you are good to start pedaling. Now, this thing has multiple resistances, and you can go all the way from 0 to here, or all the way up to like 15 or 10, my bad, on here. And then to get out, it's pretty much the same. You get it locked, make sure these are kind of out of your way. Pull the front one, slide yourself all the way back, lock it in, get the one on the side, and twist out like that. And then you are good to get out. Now, on here, you can see that this is where your calories are going to show up. This is going to be your steps per minute, and so basically how many you're doing. That's your seat position right there, and that's the time that you've been doing this. And this is like the watts and mets you can see. And the load is at 10 currently, and you can like reduce that if you want to, like 7, and that's how many steps you're going to take. And these over here are some other cool little buttons and features that this NuStep machine has that you can play around with. And that is how you use the NuStep.